Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Newton Crypto. This is a new cryptocurrency that has been getting a lot of attention lately, and I wanted to take some time to explain what it is and what it stands for. Before we get into the details, I want to start by asking you a question. What is the future of money? I think it's safe to say that the traditional financial system is in need of a major overhaul. We're seeing more and more people questioning the value of fiat currencies, and there's a growing interest in alternative forms of money. One of the most promising alternatives is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that are decentralized and secure. They are not controlled by any government or financial institution, and they are not subject to the same risks as traditional currencies. Newton Crypto is a new cryptocurrency that is designed to be even more innovative and disruptive than its predecessors. It is based on a new technology called Newton's Law of Universal Gravitation. This law states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force 1 that is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. 2. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. 2. en.wikipedia.org. en.wikipedia.org. Newton Crypto uses this law to create a secure and decentralized network. Each node in the network is connected to every other node, and the network as a whole is constantly verifying and updating itself. This makes it very difficult for hackers to attack the network or manipulate the currency. What are the benefits of Newton Crypto? There are a number of benefits to using Newton Crypto. First, it is a very secure and decentralized currency. Second, it is designed to be more efficient than other cryptocurrencies. Third, it has a number of unique features that make it more attractive to investors. One of the most unique features of Newton Crypto is its Newtonian gravity algorithm. This algorithm allows the network to automatically adjust the difficulty of mining new blocks. This helps to ensure that the network remains secure and that the currency is not subject to inflation. Another unique feature of Newton Crypto is its Newtonian reward system. This system rewards nodes that contribute to the security and stability of the network. This encourages more people to participate in the network and helps to ensure that the network remains healthy. What are the risks of Newton Crypto? Like any other new technology, there are some risks associated with using Newton Crypto. First, it is still a relatively new currency, so it is not as widely accepted as some of the other major cryptocurrencies. Second, the price of Newton Crypto can be volatile. Third, there is always the risk that the network could be hacked or that the currency could become obsolete. Despite the risks, I believe that Newton Crypto has a lot of potential. It is a secure and decentralized currency with a number of unique features that make it more attractive to investors. I believe that it has the potential to become one of the leading cryptocurrencies in the world. So, what does Newton Crypto stand for? It stands for a secure, decentralized, and efficient future of money. I believe that Newton Crypto has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and finance. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on cryptocurrency and other topics. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.